morning to everyone, respected sir and my dear friends. Today I am Kiran going to present a topic and my topic is importance of English. I hope you will listen carefully and with interest. So my topic is importance of English. Language is the primary asset and medium for conveying our ideas and thoughts and organizing others' perception and opinions. We all know that English is the global language of communicate internationally with the different institutes and organizations. That's why English known as lingua franca, which means that a mutual language of communication used by speakers of different languages in our daily life. Without English, it is impossible to communicate and expand our knowledge, and more job opportunities are available for a person who can speak English well, and most of the colleges and universities provide their courses in English. The majority of books, magazines, newspapers and journals are printed in English. In the field of research, English plays a very crucial role. It gives opportunity to communicate and collaborate with the scientists from all over the world. It is in fact quite difficult difficult access and use the internet without English. English makes travel easier, and English helps to connect the people from all over the world. And English play a very important role in every field of education, science, technology. English is the international standard language. English is the mother language of 53 countries and second official language of 118 countries. Nowadays, there is a craze increase for English movies and English music. In today's world, English play a very important role in our daily life, and English is the language of many things like computer, science, aviation, and diplomacy. And if you will know English well, you will get a good job in an international company, and it will help to for a person for self growth and self confidence in this modern era. English it is important to learn English for our self confidence and the self growth. English play a very essential role in every field of our daily life. English is a necessary language of the department of the any department of the countries, and it is the language of many things like computer, aviation, diplomacy, and science. And if you will know English well, you will get the job you will get a good job in an international company. And English language also widens the scope of expanding the business at the international level, and it helps to connect with the people of different countries, and it helps to collaborate and communicate the different countries businessmen and work for another countries. And in this in this modern era, it is important to learn English for our self growth and self confidence, and it increases the chances of get a good job